Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through permanently fixing lag, buffering, and stuttering issues on YouTube for a completely seamless playback experience. 9 times out of 10, sudden video stuttering is caused by a bloated browser cache or outdated hardware acceleration settings trying to process high-resolution frames. To fix this instantly, click your browser's three-dot menu, navigate to Settings, open your System or Performance panel, and toggle off the feature labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available, followed by a quick relaunch. Next, tap Clear Browsing Data and wipe your cached images and files to instantly free up localized memory assets. If you are using a mobile device instead, open your Master Application settings, select the YouTube app, tap Storage, and click Clear Cache to refresh the streaming buffer and completely eliminate frame drops forever. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.